In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Google Merchant Center using Google Sheets. This is a quick and efficient way to manage your product data, and by the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable navigating this process on your own. To start, the first step is to log into your Google Merchant Center account. Simply open your web browser and go to merchants.google.com. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your Merchant Center dashboard, which serves as your control panel for managing your product listings. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Products. A drop-down menu will appear from which you should choose All Products. This section is your main hub for viewing and managing all the products that are currently uploaded in your Merchant Center account. Now, to add new items, locate and click on the Add Products button. This will initiate the process of adding your products, and you will be guided through a series of steps to import your merchandise data efficiently. When you get to the upload options, you'll want to select the Google Sheets option for your upload method. Google Sheets is a user-friendly tool that allows real-time collaboration and easy integration with other Google services, making it a perfect choice if you frequently update your product data. After selecting Google Sheets, you'll be prompted to Use Template. Click on this option and Google will generate a sheet template tailored for Google Merchant Center. This template is structured with all the necessary fields like product ID, title, description, link, image link, and price, to name a few. Using this template ensures that your data meets Google's format requirements, helping you avoid common upload errors. Once you've selected the template, proceed by clicking on Continue. This will guide you to the next steps where you'll fill in your product data. As you populate the template, pay attention to detail and make sure each field is accurately filled, as this information will be directly visible to potential customers. After your data is completely filled in and reviewed to ensure accuracy, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the setup. This involves confirming your choices and submitting the data for processing. Google Merchant Center will then process your upload, and your products should soon appear in your account dashboard. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently add products to your Google Merchant Center using Google Sheets. This method not only streamlines the process, but also reduces the possibility of errors, ensuring your products are correctly displayed to your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful for managing your product data more effectively.